Hello everyone, welcome to Creative to School. My name is Vincent. I'm just gonna quickly show you how to edit video with CapCut. Check my videos, you will see how we downloaded CapCut to the desktop. So I got CapCut on my desktop. Open the app and this is CapCut. You need to select Create Project. This is the interface. So many things you need to know to bring a project, video or images from your laptop. You need to select Import. So I'm going to bring images and videos from my laptop to the CapCut interface. This is the first thing you need to know. So bring the image, you select import. Then it will take you to your computer file for you to bring the image. So I'm going to go to downloads. These three videos, it will show you WhatsApp videos. These three videos is what I want to bring to the interface. Select open. Once you select open, the images will be attached to the CapCut interface. And this is the first video. So these are videos. And now another thing is you can also import another images or any other videos you want. For instance, go to my project. So you can bring intro, for example. So to start editing video, you need to bring the video from the interface on the top here, drag and drop it to the timeline, drag materials here and start to create. So drag the material, you can see the material. This is the video we uploaded. This is the video we drag, okay? So almost you are working on this line. This is the line where you need to bring a video. Let's say if you want to work on this video, you need to bring one of these video and add it to the timeline. I'm going to delete this one, select delete. If you want to bring this video closer, then go and select increase the scale for you to make it larger. Increase the scale. If you want it to be low, you select lower arrow, or you can drag the scale all the way or reduce it. So you can drag the scale, you can put the mouse on top of the line and drag it. So drag it to the right to increase it, drag it to the left for you to reduce it. And another thing is you need to make sure if you are editing videos like YouTube video, you select 16 by 19. So this is the size of the video, 16 by 19 pixel. Now you start by selecting play the video. There is a gap. If you look on the timeline here, you will see there's a gap between this place and here. So if you want to cut it, then you put this line or ruler or marker on this, on the left side, select split. Then take the other end, go to your right side where you want it to cut off from, then select split. In this case, you select left, delete. So now this video is deleted. The place where there is gap has now been deleted. And you can see there's a gap here. This video is split into two. So you need to bring transition. Go to transition and bring the transition in the middle of it. And also adjust the transition. Make the transition to be close. Then you play the video. You do the same thing. So what we are doing now is cutting off where there is delay. Then bring the transition. The same thing, do the same thing. So this is how to cut off areas that you don't need. So if there is gap in terms of the speech, you can cut that area off. So what we are doing now is cutting off the areas that we don't need in the video. Do the same thing this area. Do left. So one thing you need to master is how to cut areas of the video that you don't need. Then select split. So what we are doing now is mastering how to cut off areas of the video that you don't need. So you can, from here, select split and this end. Another thing to master is if you select split, make sure you do cut off, select left delete. If you do right delete, then you need to, if you do right delete, the whole videos on the right will be deleted. So if you want to go back, undo, you select undo or Ctrl Z to undo. So we want to delete left. So click delete left. So what you are doing is mastering the cutting off areas we don't need. So what you are doing is mastering how to cut off areas of the video that you don't need. So what you need to do, put the line or the ruler one side of the area that you don't need, then take the ruler again on the other end, then select delete, left delete, then put transition and bring the transition closer. The reason for cutting off videos is if there's error. Now we want to cut off this area so you can see where the cursor is. So we need to do right delete. Then bring transition. So this is how to cut off area of the videos that you don't need. So this is how to master how to cut off area of the video that you don't need. So most important thing is you need to use this to drag the ruler, go to the area you don't need or you don't want in the video, put the ruler, then select split, then move the ruler again to other end of the video that you don't want to. So we're going to delete the left side. If you are deleting the right side, then you select delete. So you select delete. So that this is now cut off. Then you adjoin it with transition. Then bring the transition closer. Likewise, this area, go on the right side, position the line or the marker, then cut that area, then position it to the next line, then select delete. So this is exactly how to delete area of the videos you don't need. This is how to delete or split videos that you don't need, just to bring the video to the timeline, then work on it. Thank you.